Hi everybody, this is CR number 14, helper video number 1. It says, which graph shows the water used by a sprinkler system that emits 12 gallons per minute? Now whenever you see the words, I'm going to underline this now, the word per, that means you're looking for a unit rate. And you should have learned about this in 7th grade, okay? Unit rate just means per one. So I'm just going to put the number 1 here. So we might know how much it is for a certain number of minutes, but we want to know how much it is per minute or for 1 minute. So if I look at letter A, I want to know if that is a unit rate of 12 gallons per minute. So I'm going to find a beautiful point in my graph. A beautiful point just means if I go along this line, is there a point that matches up on the grid so that it's an exact value of time and water at the same time? And this point that I just made here is. And it says for 10 gallons, it will take 4 minutes, okay? So if I'm comparing gallons per minute, I know that it takes 10 gallons. That will be used in a 4-minute time period. But I want to know per minute, which means per 1. And 4 divided by 4 is 1, and anything I do to the bottom I have to do to the top. Now, right now, if you use your calculator and you take 10 and divide it by 4, it's going to be 2 point something. We're looking for the value of 12, and we know 2 point something is not even close, so letter A cannot be my answer. If I go to letter B, what's awesome is on this one, if I follow this line up, there's a beautiful point right here. And that is already a unit rate because the time in minutes is at a 1. And remember, unit rate is per 1. So this is 10 gallons per minute. So 10 gallons, and that's where that point is located, per 1 minute. Does that match 12 gallons per minute? Well, hopefully you're saying no. So B is not the answer. Now we're going to go to the next one, C. I'm going to follow my line until it meets a beautiful grid point, which is right here. And notice that this is also 1 minute, which means this is a unit rate, and it's 30 gallons per 1 minute. So this one is 30 gallons per minute, but I'm looking for 12, so this one's not it either. So let's go to the next one. I'm going to go ahead and follow my line until I find a beautiful point. Now this one, it's hard because all of these points are not beautiful until I reach this corner point here. And at this corner point here, I know I'm making the dot bigger than I need to, but it's 60 gallons in 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and write 60 gallons in 5 minutes. Now I don't want 5 because I'm looking for the unit rate of 1. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put that 1 on the bottom. Anything I do to the bottom, which is divided by 5, because anything divided by itself is 1, I do to the top, and guess what 60 divided by 5 is? It's 12. So 12 gallons per minute, it matches what I'm looking for. Letter D is my answer. Good luck.